Baby, baby. How do you say it?
Fuga.
No, the other one.
Vámonos.
Nope, the other one.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Vámonos.
Oh. Nice and rocky, everybody. That's why I call it Chunky Town.
This is my guest. It's moving out to place.
Baby.
Feel the place.
Alright guys, let's get it. Irish Hills today with my chica. We're gonna go up. Ocean view maybe? There you go. Whew. Come on, baby. Baby, baby.
Hey.
Alright. Woo! Vámonos, baby. Phew. Aha! Hi, wait, big rock. Alright, now we have a climb to do. Phew. Alright, babe.
Going out?
Yeah, we're going up. Baby, ready for some chunky chunk?
Let's shred it.
Chunky Town, San Luis Obispo, Morro View. Let's go. All right, guys, vámonos. All right, we're gonna go down Morro View Trail.
Woo.
Beautiful sights from up here. Woo. Ready, baby?
Vámonos.
Boom. All right, let's try it out. Vámonos. Come on, baby. Woo. Haha. I think my back brakes are going. Oh. Nice and rocky, everybody. That's why I call it Chunky Town. Yeah. Yeah. Upper line. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Woo. Beautiful here, guys. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's fun. Ah. Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Puppy trail. Let it go, baby. Let it go. Stop right here. Yeah, baby. Chunk, chunk. Chunk, chunk. Yeah. Come on, chica. Go, chica. Yeah. Baby, baby. How do you say it?
Fuga.
No, the other one.
Vámonos.
Nope, the other one.
Let's go.
Let's go! Chunky chunk. I'm taking another line. I'm taking another line here. Let's go, baby. Woo! Phew! Yeah, baby. Let's go, let's go. Keep going, keep going. Woo! Phew!
Almost went at the edge of that thing.
Yeah.
Going up Froome Creek Trail. We're just about to go down, and we got picked up by Jerry, Kelly, and Jason. So now we're gonna do something different. Woohoo! We're gonna head up to Ocean View Trail, and I guess the downhill from there is really fun. So, and then we'll end up at Chutes and Ladders. Just a little more climbing. I'm gonna drop on this thing here.
Good job, Ken.
We found some good friends on the trail. We have Kelly, Kelly, Jerry. I used to have the flip down on the way. Jerry, no, Kelly, Jerry, Jason.
Yeah.
All right, Ken, how you doing, guys? Hey, ready, me? We're gonna bust it down.
Ready?
You're leading. Show us the way.
Okay, vámonos. Oh, this is cool.
You good, you good. Oh, that's big ass rock. Panel strike. Oh, you would have hurt. It was a toe strike. Whew. Man, my brakes are tight. They still brake, but there's no play in there. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, baby. Uh-huh. Let's go. Yeah. Woo! Vámonos! Yeah. Let's go, Kelly. Yup. Yep. Yeah, go for it, baby. Vámonos. All right, chica. Chica does chutes and ladders. Nice, baby. Go for it. Let it go, baby. You just still go around it? Boom! Nice, baby. Baby. Why? Let it go, let it go. Well, there's no camera. There you go, he got it.
Makes it look easy.
Like easy peasy. Let's go, baby. Woo! Let it go, baby. Let the bike bounce and dance for you. Hey, nice to meet you, man.
Good to meet you too.
All right.
Good
Kelly,
riding with you, dude. Glad we met up.
Jerry,
Good ride.
Kelly.
Good ride.
All right, guys. All right. Thank you, guys. All right, guys. We're almost at the end of our loop here. Had a blast out here with Chica, and we found some friends, and that was pretty cool.